Hello. So I have created an app named as Alarm Clock, which is already deployed on the Heroku. So let me directly open the link of the app. So this is the link of the app basically. Basically, it is an alarm clock which can set the multiple alarms for the user and can alert when the time surpasses. So let me set an alarm directly. Let me set the alarm of 2023 and I can set multiple alarms. So let me add another alarm. Let me add one another alarm. So this is the alarm. So alarm is ringing and it is showing the alert. Alarm is ringing and wake up. For this alarm, when we press on OK button, then this alarm will automatically get deleted. So this is deleted. So these are the two alarms. We can also delete any alarm or which we want. So let me delete this alarm. So the alarm deleted successfully. So now this alarm will be ringing on 203400. User can add as many alarms as they want. So and also the app is totally responsive. So we can use view on any of the mobile phone. This is the view. So alarm is ringing. Wake up for 2034. Okay. So it is. This is the on iPhone 12 Pro, Galaxy A7 Plus, different mobile devices. So and this is the time, real time, which is updated every second. So let me directly walk you through the code. So this is the code, this is the entry point of the project. I have used Node, Express and EJS for the deployment purposes only, but the app is totally dependent on this HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So I have used Express, I have used View Engine as EJS. So these are all. So let me directly walk you through the assets. Sorry, firstly the views folder in which my HTML file is residing. So this is my HTML file, and these are my CSS file, images and JavaScript files. This is my CSS file which are doing all the styling. This is my JS file. These are different functions with proper commenting for each and every line. So this is the basic app with clean and responsive UI. So hope you like the video. Thank you so much.